Greetings and welcome to this short video demonstration of how eNett customers can realize a quick 20% increase in machine uptime through the visibility and type of accountability that only eNett machine monitoring can provide. Let's start with visibility. When these live monitoring dashboards go up on a customer's shop floor, they routinely tell us that this is good for a 10% increase in machine utilization efficiency. And the reason is simple: visibility. Once these live dashboards go up on the shop floor, all the operators understand that there is now real-time, company-wide visibility into current machine utilization. Naturally, they are going to stay closer to their machines and they are going to run more cycles. Now, the second half of the 20% increase in machine uptime is accomplished through accountability. In the eNett software, we have a tool called Cycle Start Disable. This allows a customer to set a time limit in which a machine that is supposed to be running production can sit without running a cycle before eNett locks the cycle start button on the control and forces that operator to scan in a downtime reason. Once a downtime reason is scanned, the live dashboards will backfill with that reason for the time that the machine was sitting, and the cycle start button will now unlock. Again, this creates the accountability for the machine's uptime. So you will get more cycles run on the machine because no operator wants to be the person that has 5 to 10 downtime scans for their shift when everybody else only has maybe 1 or 2. Again, they're going to stay closer to their machines and they are going to run more cycles.